team. We already have identified, key players, but then again, the contribution of players such as Marlene Cortez, yun yung mga nakakasira ng laro ng mga kalaban.
We want to find out her thoughts about her performance against Ateneo, her contributions. Ito yung naibigay niya. Hindi ganun kalaki, pero yun nga, very timely yung pagdating ng kanyang mga putos.
That's right. And yung ngayon parang naging momentum breaker for the Lady Eagles.
They've got a 2-game winning streak, and her timely points during the game really helped Adamson. Let's find out her thoughts on those as she had a chat earlier with Judy Sarah.
So Marlene, you contributed 8 points in your last game against Ateneo. Ano ba yung naging mindset mo sa laban na yun?
Ayun po, yung mindset ko nung time na yun na dapat kami lahat may game, hindi lang ako. Pero masaya naman po kasi kahit pa paano nakatulong ako sa 8 points ko na yun.
After naman ng laban nyo sa Ateneo, ano ba yung naging epekto ng panalo nyo?
Yung epekto ko, isang malaking bagay talaga yung pagkapanalo namin sa Ateneo kasi nag-boost yung confidence namin as a team. Tapos, ayun, nilagay namin sa isip namin na dapat tuloy-tuloy na yun. Tapos, kasi nakita namin sa game na yun yung pagiging isang team talaga namin. Kaya, ayun.
So thank you and good luck. Eric?
That really helped team spirit and yung morale